Hi everyone, just to show us the 3 corset bra you can get in a tailor shop. I have one. This is push-up bra corset cup, and you can see it's push-up. You can see how it looks like, and it's also good for corsets. Then you can have, and it's half. This is half. Then you have this one, is a round one. Especially our Igbo ladies use that. You can see it's round. You can see it when you use it. You can use the mesh material on it, and you build on it. It will be so beautiful. This is round cup. You can see the inside. That's it. Then the third one, this is ordinary corset bra cup. It's not padded, it's not push up, it's just ordinary. Please like my video, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.